Hello and welcome back to SANPoint Institute Belagami. So today I am here in front of you giving you the information of PGCET 2023 notification happened along with the exam dates. Yes, you heard it right. That is on 4th August 2023 PGCET 2023 notification happened, and in today's video I will be discussing very much clearly what all they have mentioned in this notification, and along with that I will be discussing the form filling procedure, because today, that is 7th August 2023, from 11 am onwards till 17th August 2023, you will be eligible to fill the PGCET 2023 application form. So detailed procedure I will be discussing, and main thing is what all the documents you need to have when you will be ready to fill the application form. And next part of this video will be, I will be discussing 70 plus frequently asked questions by the students to me with respect to PGCET. Like bhala new general questions keltiri, like I have just listed out the questions wherein I have classified the questions as general, paper related doubts and form filling or the application related doubts. So general andre ಏನು questions discussion ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, like madam, who will conduct this exam, and is MTech only for the teaching profession, then how many exams are conducted, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು papers ಇರ್ತಾವು, whether there is aptitude syllabus, engineering mathematics syllabus in our engineering papers, and can I attempt MBA as well as MTech papers, and can I join next year PGCET or MTech through this year PGCET. So e type many doubts are there, and along with that paper related doubt andre na, what is the total mark, is there calculator, is calculator allowed, is there negative marking, then application related doubts ಅಂದ್ರೆ form filling ಹೆಂಗಿರತ್ರಿ. So all this ನಾನು compile ಮಾಡಿ based on my 5 years of experience in this PGCET as well as training the students for various civil engineering exams like PWD, SSC, JE, RRB, WRD in our Karnataka. So based on my experience I have listed those questions, because ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೂ ಇದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ with respect to PGCET exam. And believe me, whatever the questions I am discussing in today's video or information I will be providing to you, you will not get this information in entire YouTube with respect to PGCET. So ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀನಿ, and this video will be going to little lengthy. Don't worry about that, because this video I am intentionally making for you. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, because this exam is conducted only once in a year. So that's the reason I have put so much of efforts in remembering the questions students asked me, compiling those questions and discussing with you guys. So now let's start with today's video. So first I will be giving you the important dates and all. So let's go through the notification in our official KEA website now. So just search as KEA in Google, you will land on this page. Okay, so illa you need to check, that is the latest announcements. So if you click here, you will be getting the details of the notification. So now let's go through this. Okay, so let me mark here. So the notification happened on 4th August 2023, but it was uploaded in KEA website on 5th of this month. And here this is for the admission of first year for MBA, MCA, ME, MTech, MR courses. Okay, so if we see here, gate qualified candidates from only engineering and technology discipline are eligible to take the various MTech programs under this. So here one thing is mentioned, you can see here, whoever have qualified gate exam, they need not appear PGCET 2023 exam, but they just have to compulsorily fill the application form. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, gate qualify ಆದರೆ you just need to fill the PGCET 2023 form, but you need not attempt the exam. And for non-Karnataka students, certain seats are selected, that is 10% of the seats are available. So you will be joining those particular 10 seats only. And if you belong to any other reservations and all, so you will not be provided with the reservations and you will be considered in general merit. And minimum in your engineering, you need to have for general merit 50% as the aggregate, and for SC, ST category 1 it is 45%. And if you see, these are the exam dates, that is 9th September 2023, it is for ME, MTech, MR and type A. This is the timing and these are the marks. And on 10th MCA and MBA exams are there. And the application will start today, that is 7th August 2023 from 11 a.m. onwards. Until 17th August 2023, you will be eligible to fill the form. So this is very important, and you can see here, no change in information entered by the candidate will be entertained later. So you cannot change the details later on. So this is the detail about the PGCET notification. So hope you have clearly understood all the dates and all. So remember, write down these dates. And now coming to the documents part. So you need to have compulsorily 10th marks card and all your 8th semester engineering marks cards. And if you have completed engineering like 1 year, 2 year ago, then you need to have the degree certificate, original, that photocopy you need to upload. And if you don't have final degree certificate, because if you have completed engineering recently, obviously you will not be having the degree certificate. So for that you need to take provisional degree certificate, which is called as PDC. So compulsory aitidu. So this you should have. And along with that, if you belong to any of the caste reservations and all, you need to have the caste certificates. Okay, so rural Kannada reservations are not there in our Karnataka. So the certificates are necessary. And along with that, you need to have the passport size photo, recent passport size photo. So now you just check this particular video. Okay, so wherein I have clearly discussed the process of form filling. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಕೈತಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. Contact KEA if you belong from MBA, MCA and other requirements. So don't call me because the rules and regulations vary. So kindly call KEA helpline number, which is clearly mentioned in KEA website. So I'll tell you, like, even if they don't receive the call in like 1 or 2 try, so you have to keep trying at least for 10 to 15 times. So they will receive your call. So kindly call KEA, not B, if you have any application related doubts. Okay, so if you have any doubts with respect to civil engineering and all, you can call me. I don't have any issues. But respect to KEA or other doubts, you need to contact KEA only. And as you know, like, we provide the course for PGCET, and the exam dates are like on 9th September 2023. So just 1 month of time you are having. So if you need to prepare very strategically, and if you want to get your dream college or dream branch, so definitely you can try thinking of SANPoint course. Okay, so SANPoint PGCET course. So once you join the course, I will be discussing the clear strategy, because only 1 month of time you are having. So you cannot study the entire syllabus of PGCET at this point of time. So which subjects you have to study, how many days you have to devote per subject, to what depth you have to study every subject. So each and everything I am discussing once you join our course. So don't worry about that. You can just try joining the course, and your journey of 1 month will be very clear. And along with that, if you have any doubts with respect to, like, madam, which branch I have to choose, which college I have to choose, so each and every information I am there to guide you. So my institute, that is SANPoint, is the only institute in Karnataka which take care of civil engineering graduates in the entire way. Whether you say PGCET, whether you say government exams, GATE exams, whatever is there, I am there with you to help you to get your required branch or your required department in our government departments. So now let's discuss these 70 FAQs. Alright students, so let's start PGCET 2023 journey with SANPoint. So I'll be just listing down like upcoming videos. So title nenipittukoru neevu, so that you will get to know, like, when you need any particular information, you can just watch these videos. And anyways, I have made all these videos with respect to PGCET 2022 also. So all the videos are available in our SANPoint on-stream PGCET playlist. Okay, so check madri niಮಗೆ last year, because not much information will be different. So ನೀವು last year nodidra, this year also you will get to know everything, like you will get to know the entire process of PGCET. So now coming to the discussion of the FAQs questions which I informed earlier, that is during the start of this particular video. So first I will be discussing frequently asked questions with respect to, like, general, like in general in students ನನಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅವನ್ನ ನಾನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹೂ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್? ಸೊ ಇದು PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಯಾರು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ KEA, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ದು DCET ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಅಥವಾ CET ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. So these exams are conducted by KE only, and even some of the government exams are conducted by KEA. Okay, so KEA ದವರು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. What is the frequency of conducting this exam? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಿಂತ್ರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? What is the frequency? So usually it is every year. Okay, so it's not like twice in 1 year or once in 2 years. ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. So every year this exam is conducted. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ every year ನಮ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಒಳಗ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಕೈತಿ, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ದು ಅದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಲೈಕ್ BR ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, BC ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಅಥವಾ BB ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಆ ಇಯರ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ದಿಸ್ PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ, ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದೇ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇರತ್ತೇನ, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇರತ್ತೇನ, ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಇರತ್ತೇನ? Nothing like that. There will be only one paper. So again I will be explaining you the paper pattern, though I had explained in the previous video, but still I will be explaining. Don't worry about that. So one paper 2 hours attend ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ, ಮುಗಿದ್, that's it. So based on how you perform in those 2 hours, you will get the results, and based on that your counseling will start, and based on that you will get your branch or college. Next question, can I join MTech next year with this year of PGCET results? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ, so ಈಗ PGCET 2023 ಐತಿ, you will write this exam and you will get the results. ಬಟ್ ಏನೋ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಜಾಬ್, ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನನಗೆ ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ನಾನು ವಿದೌಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅವೇ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ PGCET ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್? ನೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದು 1 year ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡಿಟಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಅದು ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಕೈತಿ, ದೆನ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದು PGCET 2023 ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ this year result for PGCET 2024. Okay, this is what you need to remember. Next question, is MTech only for teaching profession? So this is the biggest myth actually. So ಯಾರನ್ನ MTech ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ MTech ಮಾಡಂತಾರೆ. Nothing like that. So even if you are interested in private job, still you can go for MTech. Okay, there is no harm in that. It's your wish ultimately. How many MTech seats are there? So total ಆಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು MTech seat ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. So it depends on the college intake. So one thing we need to remember that, as you have seen, like in for engineering, that is for BE, so the intake will be something like 60, 120, then 180, e type intake irutte. But when it comes to MTech, it will not be like that. So at the max like 18, 18 or 26 ಅಷ್ಟೇ intake ಇರ್ತವೆ per branch ಅದು. Okay, so it depends on that. So the number of MTech is quite less compared to that of engineering. You cannot compare MTech seats or intake with respect to our BE. Next question, is PGCET exam only for MTech or for job also? So if PGCET exam ಬರೀತೀರಿ ನೀವು, you will get the results. So where and all you can use this result ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನನಗೆ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದನ್ನ ಇದು PGCET ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಲೆ, ಅಥವಾ ವಿಲ್ ಐ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಡ್ ಆನ್ ವೇಟೇಜ್ if I try for private job? Not before doing MTech, just with the result. So there is no such use. You can go for only MTech through PGCET exam. This is what you need to understand. Either you go for MBA, MTech, MR only for masters or higher studies. You can use this PGCET result, not for any other purposes. Next question, can I attempt MBA and MTech both? Usually like ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆದವರು my MBA attend ಮಾಡ್ತಾರು. Yes, you can attend both the exams. So form filling ಒಳಗನ, like I have shown you already how you should choose MTech, MBA separately if you want, or together. But question papers will be separate. Okay, don't worry. So MBA the schedule ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, MTech the schedule ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You need to go accordingly as per the schedule given to you in your hall ticket and write the exam. Next, will there be separate rank for MBA and MTech, or is it together? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ there will be like assume, okay, 10,000 students will be writing MBA, then 10,000 students will be writing MTech. So ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಕೂಡೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆನಾ? ಅಥವಾ ನೋ. So MTech list will be separate and MBA list will be separate. Next, any minimum marks in UG needed? So ನಮ್ದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ, okay, once I complete my engineering, so obviously I will be having that aggregate, right? So ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದು. ಎಸ್ ದಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ದು ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 50% ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ SC ST ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ 1 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 45% ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ PGCET, ಆರ್ ಇವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫಿಲ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಂದೊಂದು ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಐತಿ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಐ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್? ನೋ, ಸಚ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಬರತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ MTech. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆರ್ 7th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ BE ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ PGCET? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ ಇನ್ನು 7th ಸೆಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ 5th ಸೆಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ 8th ಸೆಮ್, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ವಿ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ನೋ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ದು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗ್ದಿರ್ಲಿ ಜೂನ್ ಜುಲೈ ಒಳಗ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ PDC, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನಲ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದ ನೀವು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ದಾಗ ಇದ್ದ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಮೈ 8th ಸೆಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಐ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಅಟಾನಮಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಏನೋ ಆಗಿ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ರೇರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೇನಾರ ಡಿಲೇ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತೀವನ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್, so you should have had all the results with your degree certificates and all. Next, can I join IITs and NITs through PGCET? So ಈಗ PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಸೊ ಈ PGCET ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಲೆ ನಾನು MTech ಗೆ IIT NIT ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ನೋ, ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ IITs NITs and all through PGCET. ಸೊ ನೀವು MTech IIT NIT ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ IISc ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಲಿ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲೇನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ PGCET ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಡೂ MTech ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ colleges. Okay, not like in NITs or IITs. Next question, like NIT ke Surathkal is there, IIT Dharwad is there in Karnataka. So Karnataka college idrunu illi ನೀವು eligible illa because they comes under center, that is NIT or IIT. Next, is part-time MTech facility available? Yes, it is available, but I feel like very few colleges it is available, or mostly close ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Okay, so you need to check. So what is the future of part-time course attu nange students keladaru. See, all these questions are formulated based on what you guys discuss with me. Okay, so you will not find these kind of questions anywhere in entire Google, not just YouTube. Nim Google olaga sigudilla questions ellanu answers. Okay, so madam nan job madakota I want to do part-time MTech anta. So actually the future of this is not so great. So what I suggest is always the full-time course has its own value. Next, will the chances of getting placed in MTech improves? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು MTech ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ರೀ ಒಂದು XYZ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಒಳಗ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರತ್ತೆ ನಾನು MTech ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ. We cannot say like that because it depends on which companies will be coming when you are in final year in your particular college and based on their requirement. So we cannot say that okay ನೀವು MTech ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ you will get 100% placed or you will not get placed. So this answer, this question is very difficult to answer actually. Okay, next, will I have practical exposure in college? See, when you are doing MTech, so whether there will be practical exposure. So again, it depends on your college as well as faculty as well as your stream. How the faculties will be really helping you in getting exposed to the practical works actually. So nim department olaga when you join, like if you have lot of consultancy works or any live projects happening and all, and if they allowed you to handle, then obviously you will be having practical exposure, else it will be like again you are 5th year 6th year of engineering. So that's the reason you should be very wise in choosing the branch as well as the college for MTech. Okay, next question, will BE marks considered for PGCET results? So ನಿಮ್ದು BE marks ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ 80% ಬಂದೈತೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ PGCET 100 marks ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ಸಮ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲೈಕ್ 50 ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 50 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ 25 75 ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. So your engineering results are not considered during announcement of the PGCET results. So that is used only for the eligibility, like 50% for general merit, 45% for category ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, not during your result formation ಅಥವಾ ranking formation. Next question, can a 25-year-old attempt PGCET exam? So ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಂದು 25 year ಐತ್ರಿ ನಾ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು. Yes, you can attempt. There is no any age limit for PGCET exam. So in fact, I had a student whose children were doing engineering and one of his son was doing MBBS actually. So our type parents no attend madaru based on the requirement of the company profile or promotion, something like that. So there is no any such age limit required. Next question, is there any number of attempts limit? Andre ena ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು KS IAS ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, number of limits attempts limit ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ nothing like that. So you can attempt n number of times. Okay. Next question, can BE civil go for MArc? So this is very common question which civil engineering graduates ask me. So madam nam B civil ageti nan MArc ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. No, you cannot do MArc. So compulsorily you should have BArc degree. Next question, how many total ranks will be generated usually? Andre with respect to engineering I am telling you. So madam in total, because when we talk about engineering, right, so it will be like all the branches: computer science, electronics, electrical, mechanical engineering, information science, chemical engineering. So there are civil engineering n number of branches. So ಎಲ್ಲ branches ಸೇರಿದ್ದನ ನಿಮಗೆ result ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So on an average 10,000 ranks will be generated. Next question, will there be separate rank list branch wise? ಅಂದ್ರೇನ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್, civil engineering separate rank list. So will it be like that at ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? No. So all together the result will be announced. So you will not get to know like in civil. For example, see if I am applying for civil engineering, okay, so when I get the result I will not get to know that what is my position with respect to the civil engineering candidates. Assume there are 1000 civil engineering people or graduates have attended PGCET. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಂದು ರ್ಯಾಂಕು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿತ್ with civil engineering. It's all together. If I get somewhere around like 1500, so whether my 1500 is with respect to civil or what is my rank with respect to civil, you will not get like that. So you will get the result with respect to the combined branches of engineering, okay, not separately. Next, is GATE exam compulsory for PGCET? No, it is not compulsorily. But further I will be explaining the benefits also of writing GATE exam for PGCET. Now if I have qualified GATE exam, should I write PGCET exam? No. ಈಗ ನಾನು GATE exam qualify ಆದ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ usually like 32 to 35 marks ಬಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ GATE exam ಒಳಗೆ out of 100. So ನಾವು GATE exam qualify ಆದಂಗ. So ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗ if you have qualified GATE exam, then you just need to fill this PGCET form. Further I will be showing our student filled form also, you will get to know that. So just ನೀವು ಏನು fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ only the PGCET score card upload ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ result card ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Along with that GATE the information fill ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that's it. You need not go and write PGCET exam actually. So you will get hall ticket, everything you will get, but you should not go and write PGCET exam. Next, how many years GATE result is valid for applying PGCET? So 3 years. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ ನೀವೀಗ 2 years ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಥವಾ 3 years ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನೀವು GATE ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರತೈತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಇಯರ್ ನೀವು PGCET ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೀರಂದ್ರ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ GATE ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾರ್ PGCET ವಿಚ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2023 ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2023 GATE ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 2023 ನಿಮ್ದು GATE ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 2022 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ GATE ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ 2021 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೂ still you are eligible for this PGCET. Just fill in the details, that's it. Don't write the exam. Next, I will show you like proof also, like why I am saying yes, no ಅನ್ನೋದು. So all that information I have taken from official KA website only, from your PGCET bulletin. Next, I have attempted GATE exam but haven't qualified. Should I fill GATE score in PGCET form? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, by chance, okay, PGCET GATE 2023 35 marks civil engineering qualify ittandra, okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೋ 20 marks ಬಂದೈತಿ 15 marks ಬಂದೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರ so fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ no, you should not fill, that is not at all needed. You should fill only if you have qualified the exam, or else there is no use of filling unnecessary, there will be the confusion. So qualify ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು gate score mention ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Next, will I get stipend if I join through gate? So ಈಗ ನಾನು gate ದಿಂದ್ರ join ಆಗ್ತಾನು, so ನನಗೆ stipend ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, you will get stipend of 12,400 rupees per month when you join AICT approved college. So ಯಾರ್ stipend ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ ನಮಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ, like I will join some XYZ college for my MTech, whether the college will give me the stipend? No, the stipend will be given by MHRD, so not by the KEA or by any engineering college. So this is clearly mentioned in KEA website. So directly nimge MHRD dintrana you will be getting the stipend of 12,400 rupees per month. So this will take care of all your expenses actually. Next, if I qualify GATE exam in second year of MTech, will I get stipend for second year of MTech? So idu bhal common question. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ PGCET 2023 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೋದು ನಾನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಈಗ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 2024 ಗೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆತಂದ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತರೊಳಗೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ MTech. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟೈಫಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 year? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಟೈಫಂಡ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೋ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ when you are joining, what the condition is there, so that condition will remain till you complete MTech. Okay, next question, what will be my PGCET rank if I apply through GATE? So nan GATE dintra apply madidnandra nandu PGCET rank ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? So your PGCET rank will be between 1000. So your PGCET rank will be below 1000. This is what you need to remember. So first 1000 seats are reserved for GATE qualified students, and then the PGCET rank list will start. Okay, so earlier, that is PGCET 2021 at the time daga first 2000 seats were reserved for GATE qualified students, but from last year, that is from PGCET 2022 dintra they have reduced it to 1000 yakandra not many students will be there. Next question, what will be my rank if I write PGCET exam? So na PGCET exam ಬರದ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ. ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1001. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1000 ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನೀವು PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಲಕ್ಕಿಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ PGCET, ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಯುವರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1001, ನಾಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1000 ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಥವಾ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, counseling starts from whom? So ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1000s ಆರ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ದ PGCET ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಯಾರ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಕೈತಿ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಲಾಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ others. Next, will I get admission as 1000 students will grab all the seats? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಏನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಟೇಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ 18, 26 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ 1000 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಮ್ದು ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, because the students whose gate ranks are really good, so they will join either PSUs or they will go for IISc, IITs or NITs. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯಾರ್ದು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಸೊ ಯಾರಿಗೆ IITs NITs ಸಿಗುದಿಲ್ಲ but still they have qualified GATE exam, then they will apply for this PGCET, because they will be happy that they will get the stipend of 12,500 rupees per month. Okay, as these seats are very less, so you don't worry about that, because the students eligible or who comes under this category will be very few. Next, even though I have qualified GATE under reservation, still I will get the rank within 1000 and stipend? Yes, so your rank will be within 1000. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ ಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ಫಾರ್ SC ST ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ಫಾರ್ OBC ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ದೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ in the individual category, still your rank will come under 1000 and you will get the stipend of 12,400 rupees per month. Next, will there be any stipend like GATE after attempting PGCET exam? So idu common ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾನು PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ. ನೋ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಎನಿ ಸಚ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸಚ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೈ PGCET ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಗೇಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಗೇಟ್ ದಿಂತ ನಾನು ಹೋದ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನಿರತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ ಎನ್ ಎವರೇಜ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ದ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಗೇಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 30+ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಯುವರ್ PGCET ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 60+. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10,000 ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ರ್ಯಾಂಕು 60, 61, 62 ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಅಗದಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಗೇಟ್ದಾಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಹಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ PGCET ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ really good. So I'll be making a separate video on that, wherein I have taken the sample of the scorecards of my students, wherein you will get the relation properly. Next, will part-time candidate get stipend if applied through GATE? So part-time, no, you will not get any stipend for part-time. Next, stipend is available for sponsored candidates who opt through GATE? No, stipend is not available for sponsored. Andre ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೈಫಂಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, SC ST OBC ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ claiming any other scholarship from Government of Karnataka or Government of India are eligible for stipend? No. So ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ Karnataka or Indian government, so again will you get stipend? No, you will not get stipend twice. Next, will non-Karnataka gate qualified students be eligible? Yes, and your rank will be within 1000 and you will get stipend. How many total PG branches are there for civil engineering? So there are actually more than 15 branches like geotechnical engineering, highway engineering, water resource engineering, then structural engineering, CAD engineering, then construction technology and management. So there are many branches of engineering. So further I'll be making many videos on this, wherein I'll be discussing like which college is having which MTech course in that and what is the intake and all. I'll be clearly discussing. Next, how many colleges offer MTech in our Karnataka? So around 100 engineering colleges offer MTech. Next, will there be a management quota? Yes. So but for that compulsorily you should write PGCET. Okay. So even if you want to go for management quota, PGCET exam is mandatory. Next, can non-Karnataka student apply for Karnataka PGCET? Yes. So even if you belong to other state, you can apply for PGCET Karnataka exam. Next, can non-Karnataka student claim for any reservation? For example, if you belong to like OBC, SC, ST and all. So here you will be given under general merit. So you cannot claim any reservation. How many seats are reserved for non-Karnataka? Because I am telling like yes, non-Karnataka are eligible and all. But for how many seats you are eligible? Andra 10% of the seats you are eligible. Okay, like for example, if the college intake is around 20, then 2 seats are reserved for non-Karnataka students. Okay, which is the best branch and college in the civil engineering? So for that I have for that I'll be making a very detailed video, wherein I'll be discussing like what is the last year result cutoff, counseling cutoff and all for various branches, various colleges and all. I'll be discussing very much clearly. Next, what is the method of applying for the exam? Okay, so now I am taking the questions with respect to the paper related. Okay, so it is online mode through KA. So I have discussed that clearly. Next, what is the mode of the exam? Yeah, mode ಒಳಗೆ exam conduct ಆಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. It is offline mode. That is OMR ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. You need to mark there. Is exam descriptive or objective? ಅಂದ್ರ semester and exam ಕತೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು descriptive or MCQ pattern ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. So it will be objective or MCQ pattern. Then many students ask, Madam, aptitude is there in syllabus? No, aptitude or engineering mathematics is not there. Only your branch related subjects are there. So this information I am giving with respect to engineering. Next, for how many marks this exam is conducted? It is for 100 marks. Next, only 1 mark questions will be there. There are only 1 mark 100 questions irtavana? No, even 2 mark questions are also there. So if 2 mark questions are there, then how many 1 mark or 2 mark questions are there? So 51 mark questions are there and 25 2 mark questions are there. Is there any negative marking in PGCET exam? There is no any negative marking, remember that. So what is the duration of exam? It is for 120 minutes or 2 hours. Then is calculator allowed for PGCET exam? Yes, it is allowed. Next, Will there be numericals in the exam? Yes, obviously. So nanen 2 mark section anta helidnala. So 25 questions olaga, so more you will find numericals only. So now I am discussing the questions with respect to the application. Should I upload all the category certificates while filling the form? Yes. So ನೀವು ಏನೇನ್ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಏನೇನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, so each and every document you should upload while you are filling the form. Will I get the chance to edit application after few days in case I have made any mistake? So sometimes they might give the facility or they might not. Is there any reservation for Kannada or rural medium? No. Remember, there is no any reservation for Kannada or rural medium. We have only reservation for caste category. Marks should be entered as GPA or CGPA or percentage. So it should be in percentage. Then how to calculate? So use this simple formula. Even this is available in PGCET website or VTU website. So name the CGPA ittadra, convert that to percentage and then you need to fill in the application. Next, in the form, should I select type A or type B? So form filling one name ಎರಡು option ಕೇಳ್ತಾರು. One is type A, another one is type B. So if you are trying for Coimbatore University or Mysore University, then go for type A. Else, if you are trying for VTU or UVC or UBDT Davangere, then you go for type B. So most of the students go for type B. Next, should I take the application print after fee payment? Because now once you fill the form, so obviously you have to make the fee payment. So you have to take the print of that fee payment acknowledgement compulsorily, because that you will be taking during the counseling. Okay, so this is the paper pattern actually. So agane helidni 51 mark questions, so 50 marks, 25 2 mark questions, so 50 marks at the total. So all together it will be 100 marks MCQ question. So this is how your application form will look like. So photo irrati. So idunu ನೀವು like review at ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, so you can, if any mistake is there, then you can mention. So gate qualify ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಅಪಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಗೇಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. So this is how your gate score will look like. Okay, so you can see here, this is the marks scored. So for example, if you belong to general merit ala, then that means you haven't qualified this gate exam. If you belong to OBC or economically weaker section, for this also you haven't qualified gate exam. And if you are from SC/ST and if you have got this much marks, then you have qualified gate exam. So idralle now understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು whether I have qualified or not. So if you have qualified this gate exam, then only you fill the details of in the PGCET form, or else no. So this is very very important information. So understand this. Starting MTech rank for PGCET 2022 candidates is 1001. So idu PGCET score card screenshot aitile. Okay, so clear ಆಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ 1001 ಇಂತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಡನ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 100 46 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಪೇಪರ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಿದು. ಸೊ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ A1 A2 A3 ಅಥವಾ D1 D2 D3 B1 ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಂತ. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 100 46 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಿಗೆ. ಸೊ 46 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತಿ 1361. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 361 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಇನ್ PGCET. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 361 and all, because your counseling will happen based on this number, not this number. So understand this, just pause and check. So if by chance gate qualified student ಇದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಏನಿತ್ತು ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ದು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, GT ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತಿ 31 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಅಥವಾ ಗೇಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು 31.57 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು PGCET ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 67 out of 10,000. Okay, so that's what I told you. Even if you score or even if you just qualify gate exam, your rank will be really good in PGCET. So I'll complete again gate qualified baggena mention ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು. So if you have qualified gate exam, then it is only considered from engineering point of view. So with respect to that, you need not write the exam. Okay, and first seat allotment will be done for the gate qualified students. You can see here, when gate qualified candidates are not available, seat allotment will be made to non-gate students based on the merit list of PGCET 2023. Okay, so gate qualified or first counseling agi next PGCET ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ gate scholarship ಮೇಲೆ details ಐತಿ, so you can just check. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಲಿ ಗೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿತ್ ನೋ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್, then you will get the stipend of 12,400 rupees per month. And you can read here, this is very important. If you have appeared for gate during 21, 22 or 23, then write gate code, then write marks obtained in the gate exam and the gate stream. That's it. Okay, so qualify adra mention ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಗೇಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವ್ರದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ 10% is for non Karnataka and 90% are reserved for Karnataka students. Okay, next preparation of the rank list. So first gate rank list barati, you can see here, then after that your PGCET rank list will be formed. But counseling first gate dawardagi, next PGCET dawardaagtೈತಿ. So in my previous video I had done the paper analysis of PGCET of 7 years of papers with respect to civil engineering. So you can check here. Okay, so you can pick the high weighted subjects and you can start studying. And anyways, we have provided very systematic course for this PGCET exam, as well as once you join the course I will discuss very clearly preparation strategy. Okay, so if you want to make your journey very simple, very easy and very efficient, like nimdu ಯಾವ branch ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಯಾವ college ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, if you want, because very finger countable colleges are really good. So adakka all the students want such colleges only. I cannot take the name of the colleges now. So ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನನಗೆ ಇದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇಕು. So most of the students are taking similar college names only. So that's the reason you have to study very thoroughly. See, in PGCET, even if you just fill the form and write the exam, even if you score very less, still you will get the rank and still you will get one or the other college. But your career will be really good, or your future will be really good if you do MTech in best of the best colleges. Okay, so same way we provide the course for government exams also. And once you join MTech in your college, like any of your colleges, so you can join for our government exam course also, because most of MTech students are our government exam aspirants. Okay, so who have joined our government exam courses. So ನೀವು ಈಗ PGCET ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ MTech ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದೆ you join our government exam courses, because PWD, WRD, then rural water supply, BBMP, BWSSB, BMRCL, town planning. So many exams will be coming, junior engineer, assistant executive engineer. So you can attempt all those exams. So for those exams also, once you join the course, I'll discuss very clear preparation strategy. You just need to study, because you cannot do job along with MTech. So you can study. So that's the reason I am suggesting you try seriously for government exams. So this syllabus is of civil engineering. I had discussed very clearly in my previous video. So you can just pause and you can check the syllabus. I don't want to spend much time on this. Okay. So hope you have clearly understood whatever I have discussed in today's video. So today only the form filling will start. So watch this video again. So fill the form and study. This is most important. Don't just go and attempt the exam blindly. So saying this, all the very best. Stay tuned with SANPoint OnStream YouTube channel to get each and every update with respect to PGCET exam and with respect to government exams, because most of the students who join for MTech, they join our government exam courses also, because simultaneously, like when you will be doing MTech, afternoon or evening time you can prepare for government exams. So if you have that plans of preparing for government exams, then definitely SANPoint will be the best choice for you. So once you join the course, again I'll be discussing the strategy, like how you can manage your MTech classes and how you can prepare for government exams. So I'll make a very proper systematic study plan so that you can cover the entire technical as well as general studies part of the government exams, and even you can get selected as AE or AEE in our upcoming government exams. See you. All the very best for the PGCET and other exams with respect to civil engineering.